Let's import HBM, Human Body Model, and Setup. There are two ways to import HBM. First is to use Make Human. Second is to use Manuel Bastioni Lab. Method 1. Import for Make Human. First, start Make Human. Model it as you like. After modeling is completed, add bones. Click on Pose Animate tab. There are preset rigs at the right side. Choose Game Engine. Bones are added to the model. Now we are going to export this model. Click File tab. Click Export tab just below. You can choose mesh format, so choose Make Human Exchange. Type any text into the input box right above the model display. This will be the file name when exported. Press Export button and export the model. Once export is completed, go back to Desktop. Open Explorer and look for the exported model. We exported without choosing Export Destination. In this case, it's usually exported to the folder where Make Human itself is. Let's go to where Make Human is. Usually, there are two Make Humans, one with version name and one without. Here we click on the one without version name. Double-click V1. Double-click Exports. You'll find the exported files. If you export models from Make Human without choosing destination, usually this is where you can find them. Now that we know where to find the model, let's go back to Desktop. Next, start Blender. Import Make Human Model. Click the File tab at the right top. When you put the cursor on Import, submenu will appear. Choose Make Human MHX2. Then you can select Model File by going to the location where we found it earlier. Once you're at the location, click the model you want to import, then press the Import MHX2 button on the upper right. Please make sure the Override Exported Data on the left side is unchecked. Model is now imported. Now, click any bone of the model to select. You'll find the Bone Property button in the Property window to the right. Click on it and you'll find the Pastel Action add-on at the bottom. Click Initial Setting. There will be a submenu, so choose Make Human. Setup will start. It might take some time since the script is very long. Setup is completed. That's all for setting up HBM using Make Human. Method 2. Using Manuel Bastioni Lab. First, start Blender. Verify 3D view is in object mode. There's a Manuel Bastioni Lab tab on the left side. Click this tab to select. Now you can use Manuel Bastioni Lab add-on. Here you can choose different types of characters, but for now, let's proceed with the default. There is an Init Character button just under the Selection tab. By pressing this button, the model will be placed in the 3D view. Let's press the Init Character button. Character is placed. Expand and look for bones. Once you find a bone, click to select. You'll find a Bone Property button in the Property window to the right. And there's the Pastel Action add-on at the bottom. Click Initial Setting. A sub-menu will appear, so choose Manuel Bastioni Lab. Setup will start. It might take some time since the script is very long. Setup is completed. That's all for HBM generation and setup using Manuel Bastioni Lab. That's all for HBM import and setup. Thank you for watching.